Hey, so if you're tired of doing the same CRM tasks over and over, Zoho CRM workflows can automate most of it for you. In this guide, I'll show you how to set them up step by step. Alright, first, log into your Zoho CRM account and go to your main dashboard. Now click on Setup in the top right corner. This is where all automation tools are located. Scroll down to Automate and click on Workflow Rules. This is where you build your automation system. Click Create Rule and choose the module, like leads, deals, or contacts, depending on what you want to automate. Now define when the workflow should run, like when a record is created, edited, or reaches a certain stage. Here's the important part. Add instant actions like sending emails, assigning tasks, or updating fields automatically. You can also schedule actions to happen later, like sending a reminder after 2 days or escalating a deal. Before finishing, test your workflow by creating a sample record to make sure everything runs correctly. Once everything looks good, click Save and activate the workflow so it starts running automatically. And that's it. Once you automate workflows in Zoho CRM, your sales process becomes way faster and more efficient.